Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be doing a product review. It is an eco-friendly product, and if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know that I absolutely love like easy eco-friendly swaps. So today you guys, I'm going to be doing a phone case review that I'm really excited for. The company is called Rafine and their product are phone cases, and they come in 3 different colors. There's a green one, like a mint green one, there's this lavender one that I absolutely love, and then there's another one that's kind of like a creamy taupe blush color. If you guys have watched some of my videos before, I have done reviews on another different phone case that is also eco-friendly called Pela. In one of my last videos, I did do a Pela case experiment. I did put a Pela phone case into my compost tumbler, another one in my garden, and another one in my backyard in like the woods, and just to see if it composted like it did say on the website. Unfortunately, it did not compost all the way, so that's what led me to find an actual eco-friendly phone case that would actually be good for the environment. So that's why I just fell in love with Rafine. All of Rafine's phone cases are made from wheat straw, like vegetable starches and wood fibers, so really eco-friendly. And I'm just telling you guys, I was just kind of bummed about the Pela phone case, so when I found Rafine, I was really super excited about their phone cases. Their website is like super easy to use. They also donate like $1 every single time you buy a product from them, and they donate $1 to fighting plastic pollution, which I think is awesome. Again, just for me, I'm a stepmom, I'm a wife, like I just want an easy way to go about making this world better and being more eco-friendly, so I just thought this was a great option. A couple of other things I love about the product specifically, I absolutely love the company, but specifically about the product, it is way cheaper than some other eco-friendly options. I know that the Pela phone cases, they tend to run up to $55, which is quite expensive for one phone case. The thing I loved about Rafine was that their products are only $29. So again, it's a great way to be eco-friendly, but not kind of breaking the bank at the same time. So I just kind of fell in love with them. Another thing about the product is they have kind of this matte finish, all of their phone cases. So it feels really like nice and comfortable like in my hand. Their website, again, was really easy to use. All I had to do was plug in my phone size, and my phone is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. And then the color I wanted was the obviously lavender. I usually tend to go towards green, but I was like, you know, this time I'm just gonna branch out a little bit. But 29 bucks I thought was a great dupe because again, the Pela phone cases run like $55, so they're quite expensive. I also do have a discount code if you guys are interested in buying a Rafine phone case. I just love Rafine phone cases for so many reasons again, and yeah, if you guys are looking for a great option to be a little bit more eco-friendly and an easy, cheap way to do that, I would definitely look into Rafine. If you guys have any video ideas of videos that I should make or things you would like to see, please leave that down in the comment section below. That is it, you guys. I hope you guys really love this product review and unboxing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's not for me to say.